Hello everyone, this is Explorer Channel. Tonight's dinner of the day is we're doing barbecue pork on white bread. Barbecue pork. Tonight's barbecue pork that was given to us a week ago at Pastor Maynard Tyson's church. Frozen pork in a package that can be turned into whole pork. This is what I call my version of whole pork. This is barbecue whole pork made by me at home. This is a very simple and easy dish to make. Excuse me. And it's so good. You will enjoy it very much. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, everyone. Please like, share, and subscribe. Explorer Channel out.